Are you looking to deodorize and clean your dishwasher? These are the active dishwasher cleaning tabs, and there's a 1-year supply. You can essentially take one of these tablets and put it in the normal place you'd put detergent for your dishwasher, and it's going to run a clean cycle for your actual dishwasher. Now, Active did send this to me as a sample so that I could give you my honest opinion. I'm going to run a cycle with my dishwasher and see if I feel like it smells better, if it's cleaner, and give you my honest opinion on these actual cleaning tablets. So in this box, there are 24 tablets. That would be twice a month that you could use these, and it would be a 1-year supply, or you could stretch it out to a 2-year supply if you only used one tablet per month to clean your dishwasher. These are septic safe, and they are designed to work with any sort of dishwasher. And so the way that this works is you just ensure that you have a completely empty dishwasher. Step 2, put the tablet where you normally put your detergent. Step 3, run the dishwasher on a normal wash cycle. And step 4, after the cycle is complete, go ahead and open the dishwasher door and let it air dry out. You should notice a noticeable improvement in how clean it is and how good it actually smells. Let's check it out.
This is really clean. I'm really happy with how this looks. And it's definitely way better than it was. Definitely smells better. That's the biggest difference that I noticed. The odor isn't nearly as bad in here as it was. And we're not someone that's very good at actually cleaning our dishwasher as often as we should. So I'm really glad we're gonna have these active dishwasher tabs to actually help us keep everything clean and keep everything smelling fresh.
Sometimes if it doesn't do the job on the first round, it says that you may need a second cleaning if you've got a lot of mineral buildup. So keep that in mind, that if you do this once, we might want to do it again to make sure we get that extra mineral buildup. So here's an example of what your dishwasher may look like before using the active dishwasher cleaner tabs, and then what it might actually look like once you're using these tabs. And most dishwashers have a filter in the actual dishwasher near the bottom drain. If possible, go ahead and remove that filter and clean it by hand to remove any sort of large food particles. Then you can reinstall that filter in the dishwasher and then run it, and you'll be good to go without having to worry about the bigger food particles. So hopefully this is helpful for you. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and happy cleaning.